welcome to Daleville, everyone. Crossing we are at warm-up street, Mr. Crossing, double tracks, facing west. The trains are going to Pearson, Hilton. Oh, it looks like we got one coming. Alright, this is why I hate getting interrupted. Here comes our first train. It does look like Q377 to me. It is a -8. Soft toward today. 36 and 8744. Less than 30 seconds into the video. Alright, we're not interrupting. We're looking west. That was westbound. That might be 359. You see, that's the tail end. And looking east, where it just came from. It's going towards Muncie, Yorktown, every night going to Ohio. Again, just a train. Alright, I will do one video. So that was our first train. That was Q359. Sign off. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Daleville. As you see that light down there, we have an eastbound coming. So, before it comes, I want to take a few moments. Right there, they took down the old furniture store. It used to be here. So, yep. Used to be here before it got torn down. So I will sign off and wait for just a few moments. Alright, here comes the train. Sounds like today we got a UP leader. Last train. Oh my wow. He is running the wrong way. That's good. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking off. Goodbye.